So this servo right here controls the high-low shift, and whenever I go to shift to high gear, I get this like it's just not gear meshing right. So if I think the easiest way to fix this is going to be trying to take this horn off and then readjusting it. I couldn't find a video on how to fix this myself, so I figured I'd make one for you guys, and hopefully we can figure this out together. So the first thing I'm going to try and do right now, it is in low gear, and my controller's for low gear, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of play right there before the gears kind of catch again. Well, earlier, but so I'm going to try and take the horn off and just reposition it properly to see if that helps.
Different. I like you. I like all the time. Don't worry. Worry, stop. Okay.
I'm just going to try and pull this guy off and pull it a little bit farther forward. So I just completely took this guy off. We're going to see how well that works. And now we're going to try and shift and see if it's still catching the way it was. Yep. So there's a second hole on this horn right here, so we can try and pop this guy off. Maybe. Save the screw so we don't lose it. So as you can see, there's actually two holes in this horn here. So I'm going to try and put it back in the back hole and see if that helps get a little bit better tension on either way.
That's what it's so dirty. It's so kind of dirty.
So first I'm going to put this back on. Kind of clips on there. Right now it's supposed to be in low gear, and low gear, this rod going in and out of the gears should be out for low gear. In should be high gear. I guess we'll find out when I get it all set up and it's not clicking away like that. So I'm just gonna kind of give it a little extra tension.
It takes 5 minutes.
So now I'm going to try and shift it back into high gear and see if it's still doing the same clicking. As you can see, it is. So we're going to try and readjust it even more.
Mine's so mad. Mine's so mad.
Probably best to turn it off while we do this. So this should be the full out position. So we're gonna pull that guy all the way out. So I'm just gonna hold this guy on here and let's see if I can just get it to not click away. See, so let's put the screw back in and see how well it holds. So you have the screw all the way back in. Right now it is in low gear as the controller is also showing. If you have the button flipped up, so the way I always remember is the bump is going to be where it's at. So right now the bump is on the lower portion, so it should be in low. And then now the bump is in the higher position, so it should be high. And as I just flipped it, you can see now that I can shift between the two high and low gears. It is currently in high gear because this pin is in right here. You can see it slide out, and that should be low gear. Beautiful. Oh, it's a lot better than it was for sure. Once I get another battery stick in here, we can take it out and see how it works in shifting while we're driving.